G'day guys, how's it going? It's Nathan here from All Brand Caravan Services. Today I'm just working on this A-van today. We've got a service, a couple of other little things the customer's here to get done. Just wanted to have a chat to you about 12 pins, 7 pins, 5 pin plugs. No matter what plug you've got on the front of your van, always be checking that it doesn't have any damage or even the housing of it is broken. That can cause water to actually ingress inside your 12 pin plug itself, and then it can start to actually rust out all of the terminals on there, causing none of your lights to work. Now, that is a legal issue as well. If you do get pulled up by police, they can fine you if you've got all of your lights out and not working. So just guys, before you go in on any big trip, just double check your 12 pin or 7 pin, 5 pin, whatever you've got on there, just to make sure there's no external damage. If there is any external damage and you'd like it replaced, we can do that here for you at All Brand. Just come on down to Connaught Street, come and see us, or drop a comment below in the comment section. Thank you, bye.